Hello and welcome to Gonomics. Today I will be showing you how to install your arm width plate. Please follow general practices for safety and always follow all manufacturers' safety guidelines. Your product may vary slightly from the examples shown here. You will need the 2 provided arm width plates, the 8 provided screws, and a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. First, flip the seat bottom up. Locate the 6 X marks on either side of the seat. Then decide which 4 holes you will use to secure your arm width plate. Finally, poke the selected holes through with your number 3 Phillips screwdriver. Align the new width plate with the 4 X marks on the seat. Using the screwdriver, screw the provided bolts in by turning them clockwise until the new width plate is securely held in place. Finally, repeat the process for the second arm width plate. And with that, your arm width plate is secure. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch our other videos and check out our socials. Go Gonomics!